Hi there, welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you all the great photographic content that you can expect if you become a subscriber to the channel.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you
you like what you've seen in this video and are passionate about enjoying your photography, you can make sure that you don't miss out on any of my future content by clicking subscribe down below, and also hit the bell notifications. I upload a video every Sunday, so watch out for that. In the meantime, you can go and check out this video just up here, but all that's left now is to say stay safe, and I'll see you soon.